How's it going, folks? Once again, I'm Ned from Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood IT guy. Today I want to check out this Crypto.com credit card. I really do believe that this is a game changer by having the Crypto.com credit card. Geez, I sound like I'm really putting it out there for Crypto.com, but just the fact that we have a credit card here that is directly related to your crypto, it just changes everything when it comes to crypto. Because my biggest complaint about crypto, especially when it comes to Bitcoin, Ethereum is a lesser degree, is how much it costs to make a transaction. I remember one time I tried to send a friend $30 and it cost me like $15 in order to send that, or like 13, something like that. Just $13 in order to send $30. It was amazing. That was back in 2017, I believe. And with this, we can go out and we can get gas. We can get a cup of coffee with crypto, with a credit card, and that changes everything. I always said crypto is only going to be speculation until we can buy a cup of coffee with it. That's pretty cool. If we can buy gas, we can have a cup of coffee, we're going to do okay. If not, then not. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Now, it should be said the special numbers are on the back, so I will not be flipping this over, but this is frickin' cool. Once again, with this card, now I can go and I can buy frickin' comic books with crypto. I can buy comic books with crypto. Frick it, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the comic warehouse, Stemmer. See you there. I'm gonna get some comic books with crypto. I just want to put it out there. This is one of the freaking coolest things ever. And I really think that this is a game changer when it comes to how the world will be working, what finances will we be using, and who will be controlling those finances. Will it be the end user? Will it be the consumer? Will it be a corporate overlord? Will it be a government? And with this, we can make it. This is one step to decentralizing everything. Is decentralizing things a good thing? I don't know. There's a lot of good reasons to decentralize. There's a lot of good reasons not to decentralize. What do you guys think? I tell you what, Bobby, this is definitely a game changer. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?